Please come in front of your camera clearly. I wanna see you clearly. Please come. Oh, nice. Korean girl is looking so beautiful. Wow.
Oh, doctor.
Hello.
Are you a doctor?
Not doctor. You asked me that for MD, right? Are you Chinese?
No, Korean.
Korean. Wow. Nice. It's first time I meet a Korean girl. See,
There's many Korean girl here.
yeah. Please come in front of your camera clearly. I wanna see you clearly. Please come. Oh, nice. Korean girl is looking so beautiful. Wow. So, what's your name?
Thanks.
Welcome.
My name is Boram.
What?
My name is Boram.
Puram.
Boram.
Okay, Puram. Nice name. Nice to
Korean.
meet you, Puram.
Nice to meet you too, MD Shahabu.
Yeah. Thank you. Do you live in Seoul?
Yes.
You live in Seoul. Okay. I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm from Bangladesh. So I want to ask you some question if you don't mind. If you don't mind, can you please teach me some Korean language?
Okay.
Okay. So please say how to say hello in your language, Korean.
What?
How to say hello in your language?
안녕.
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 Yes.
এটা কি এই যে নাকের ভেতর দিয়ে বলতে হবে? 안녕. 안녕. It's okay. How to say I love you in Korean? I mean your language.
I mean, Google it.
Google.
Why don't you Google it? Yeah.
Google. If I use Google Translate, so I wouldn't ask you that question. Okay.
So you don't have Google Translator on your phone?
No. I don't have. I can show you. Can you please say how to say I love you in Korean language?
No.
No? Why?
No. Yes.
Why
No.
no?
No.
Why no? Why?
사랑해요.
Oh, exactly. You got it. Perfect.
Okay, wait.
Oh, this is smart.
사랑해요.
Okay.
You're good at smart.
Poram, right? Your name is Poram, right?
Yes.
사랑해요. Poram.
Thank you.
Welcome. So why why you hide your half head? Why you don't show your full face in your camera?
어? 뭐라는지 모르겠는데? I don't understand.